Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make highlights on your Facebook app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app, then tap on your profile. After this, tap on the three dots here. Then if you tap on archive, you can find out this, and then if you tap on story archive, you can find out all of your archived stories. Tap on the story. After tapping on the story, you will find out feature option. If you tap on here, then you can make it as your highlight. You can also name it like this, and if you want to add more, you can also add more by tapping on here. Then you guys can select any of your photos or videos from your device, or you can select your stories as your highlight, and you can also add your uploaded photos. If you tap any of this, then it will be selected, and if you tap on next, then you can add it as your highlight. And for saving it, tap on save. There is another way to add highlights. Now for example, if you want to create a story, tap on create story, then select any of your photos or videos that you want to add. You can also select multiple. If you tap on here, then choose the photo or video that you want to add, then tap on next. In here you guys can select the privacy by tapping on privacy. Mine is right now selected friends. If you want to make it public, you can also do it, or if you want to hide your story from your particular friend, you can also do it. Now let's go back. In here, if you tap on share, it will be shared. Now tap on your story. In here you guys can find out feature option. If you tap on here, you can also add highlights. You can add it to your other highlights by tapping on the highlights that you want to add, or you can make it as your new highlight by tapping on new. If you tap on new, then you can name it, and also you can add more. So this is how you can add highlights on your Facebook app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.